Hi, I'm Chloe Weber. I work at Lexus Service Center. I'm a salesperson here. And today I have the fully redesigned 2023 Lexus RX500 Hybrid F Sport. The RX has been fully redesigned for a sharper and classier look. You can come over here to the grille. The new grille is a larger mesh pattern. It gives it that sharper look. Here we have the new 21-inch wheels, along with the gloss black finish and the black brake calipers. Now onto the back. We have the new Lexus logo. It's now spelled out instead of the L logo. This 23 RX is also equipped with the power rear door and kick sensor. So, with the new power rear door, it's supposed to open quieter and quicker. Here we have the very roomy cargo space, along with the available power folding seats, which are located here for your convenience. Jumping under the hood, we have the most powerful RX yet. We have a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine offering 366 horsepower, while getting 27 miles per gallon in the city and 28 on the highway. Jumping into the inside, you can see that the interior has been fully redesigned. Now, as we go to the display screen, this is all new. You can see that this is available with the standard 10-inch option. However, this RX has the upgraded 14-inch touchscreen, which is equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So in the interior, since everything's been redesigned, I can go over a few things with you. We have a new shift knob. So now you shift over and down into drive, and it is now a park button. We also have things like our digital rear view mirror, which you can have the option of digital or a normal rear view mirror. Also, you can see things like the new panoramic roof. That has been a very rare feature up until now. We can also look at the very soft and comfortable interior Ultra Suede. This is all new, and you can only receive it on the 23 RX 500 Hybrid F Sport. Once again, this is the 2023 Lexus RX 500 Hybrid F Sport, and it is now available here at Lexus Service Center. For more information, please stop in or give us a call anytime. We look forward to seeing you soon.